beeping procession. These are the vehicles that are beeping in solidarity. Getting slow walks is a sign of appreciation. We're so grateful for them coming. That is the best horn! Love you. Thank you. Hello, gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, God, that's uplifting. Okay, so a momentary issue with the traffic. It's just a honking convoy. I think that's a particularly Lancashire trait, a honking convoy. I'm not sure where else you get those, but these are people who can't necessarily stand with us, but they pop out in their vehicles, create a convoy and beep like crazy. That started when, if you remember rightly, back quite a few months ago, a nice man, a local resident who'd never done activism. He came and he beeped his horn, and his vehicle was stopped by a particularly aggressive female officer who said, "If you don't stop beeping, I'm going to arrest you." I mean, really arrested for beeping. So he then became part of creating a convoy of vehicles that would come. I love that. Would come and beep in unison.